Guys, I hope you're doing well today. We're going to be repotting a big plant from Amazon. Maximize your space. Our 9-tier over-the-door pantry organizer is designed to make the most of your storage space, allowing you to store more items in a smaller area such as spice and some jars. Perfect for small kitchens or those with limited storage space. Durable and strong, made with high-quality, durable metal, our pantry organization can withstand the weight of heavy cans and jars, keeping your items secure and preventing them from falling off. It's your home organization and kitchen essentials. Quick and easy installation. No tools or drilling are required to install our pantry organizer over any standard door. This makes it a hassle-free storage solution that won't damage your walls or doors. Versatile and multifunctional, not just for storage pantry items, our organizer can be used to store a variety of household items such as cleaning supplies, toiletries, and shoes. This makes it a versatile storage solution for any room in your home. You will get 3 large shelves, 16.5-inch LX 5.2W x 4.1-inch, 3 medium shelves, 16LX 4.7W x 3.7-inch, 3 small shelves, 15.7LX 4W x 3.3-inch, including all necessary mounting hardware. The overall height after installation is 6.2 feet, suitable for most doors. USP PO